Ça passe, shalom, wagwan, come estás? Welcome to my channel. Hey everybody, so I decided to make Haitian breakfast, which is scrambled egg with avocado with boiled plantain. I love this meal right here. It's like the best meal that you could ever eat. If you ever had this before, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, as you can see, I'm prepping everything together. The bell peppers, the onions, and now I'm adding the oil. I'm adding the chicken Maggi, just one. A little small piece. Well, add two, because I was making a lot at this moment. At that moment, I was making a lot. There, you crack the eggs, and I like to take the little white stuff out the eggs. You know, you scramble, you beat that egg up real good. Look at that thing. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Be sure you get your egg good. Now we're going to add tomato paste. Let me tell you, y'all, I don't like opening up the cans and stuff. But yeah, but I got it together. Put a little tomato paste in that thing. Boop. Yeah, that's the chicken Maggi already, like, break it down. So yeah, they got the tomato paste. It's cooking up real good. Add that little bell pepper. See, look at that thing. Boop, boop. Oh, yeah, that look cute, huh? Add some onions. Smell it real good. You smell that? Oh, I forgot. Y'all can't smell it through the screen. But it smells real good. So let it cook up, you know, let it cook up a little bit.
That is so good, y'all.
Smell good, y'all. Now I'm about to add the seasonings and the herbs. You know, you gotta add some. I love me some onion powder. Gotta add all the onion powder. Gotta add a seasoning. See all the seasoning I'm adding. And my favorite complete seasoning. Boom, 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 boom. Beat the egg. Beat the egg real good. Make sure you beat it good. So all the seasoning could get all in there. And I add lime juice just a little bit. You know, a little bit of lime juice. Get a little flavor. A little jump into the egg. I saw my mom did that, so that's why I be adding it. It tastes good like that. But yeah, drop the egg into that pan with the tomato paste and the onions and the bell peppers and the chicken Maggi. That looks so cute, y'all. Like, smell real good too. Let that bad boy cook it up on that stove. Look at that. Now we're gonna mix everything all up. Mix everything all up.
Smells so good. Scrambled egg, chapalila way. Haitian style egg. I gotta add some black peppers. I love me some black peppers, y'all. Boiled plantain, avocado. I've added black pepper, chili powder, scrambled egg with bell peppers and onions, tomato paste, and herbs.
Okay, now look at that thing look. Ooh, that thing look nice. Real nice. Look at that plantain, the boiled butter, the avocado. I love me some avocado. I could eat that all day, every day. Look at that eggs, y'all. Tastes so good. Here y'all go, Chopper Levi. Breakfast. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that thing. It's so delicious. Look at the plantain. Look at that scrambled egg. Thank you all for watching my videos. I appreciate the support and the love. So stay tuned to the next video I will post up soon. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell so you get notified whenever I drop another video. Like, comment, and share my video. Share my channel. Period. Love y'all. Peace.